And they have a new baby elephant here today.
Really?
Yeah. Here you come. Look at him. I'm gonna tell you right now, that was definitely a pose right there. Let me give you a belly shot.
I do. I love the neon lights. Cool. Oh yeah. They got like all the little. Dude, the sun is.
You can't look at that turtle when you say, dude.
Okay, let's go find Alex.
Look, you want to see? Let's see.
Right there. Okay, come on, let's keep walking.
Let's go to the cave. Yeah, but I don't want video.
Look, there's also one climbing right there.
You guys bark like that?
Look, look at the little couple. There's one there, right? One over
1,
there.
2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5 of them.
Dang, where did they all come from? I only
Let's go find more animals.
I didn't see the big blue.
Who are you telling bye? Who is that? More elephants?
Follow my foot.
Come over here.
They got a whole family tree.
Oh, there's a tiny thing.
No, you see him? Oh, there's another one. Wait, there's two female. Wait, what? Wait. How did she get there that fast?
I don't know, but
Dude, she just teleported.
that is so cool. No, don't tap. Oh, there's a lonely one.
Wait, we gotta find the monkey exhibit. We gotta go around to find the
Do you
monkey
know how
exhibit.
to tell the difference between a monkey and an ape?
Yeah, they're orange.
No. Those are orangutans.
No, but what about the one right there? That's orange.
No. Monkeys have tails. Apes do not.
You should zoom in.
We gotta find the monkey.
I need food.
Yeah, that's wild to me. I still wonder if that's another like 5.
Wow, so
You see the one laying on the floor? Look at the one laying on the floor. Oh, there's another one laying up there. There's 4. They got 4.
I can actually continue staying with you guys. You're me! You're always fast and hyper. Yeah, you're like me. And always energetic.
Like the lemurs?
One of them looks like he's got a hurt foot.
That's an orangutan.
No, I'm talking about from what is the name of the lemur from Madagascar?
King Julian.
King Julian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
King Julian.
It's a big word.
I like to move. He's plotting something. He's trying to grab a stick. You see that? He's trying to grab a stick.
He's turning his back away.
You're it. No, I'm not. You're it. I'm getting you. I'm getting you. You're it.
They're playing tag.
You're it. I told you you're it. How many times I gotta tell you you're it? Are you listening? Take you back. Yeah, he's like, okay, hey, you're it. So, pick me, please.
The baby.
Now the baby's going back to
I'm out of here.
Yep.
assuming the position.
Come here. Come here. Let me check your face.
You poke your eyes.
What are you doing
Like
over
the
there?
3 stages right here.
What are you doing over there? Come here.
Get off me.
I don't want you. Come here. Come here. I don't want you.
Maybe smell my hands. Maybe my hands. Oh, you can't put the animals.
He's trying to fly.
What's a kilometer? Nothing.
What's a kilometer? Looks like an ocean. No,
Look, it's a fish. Fish is looking at me.
Does it hurt to get their wings clipped?
No?
bald eagles. It's bald eagles.